You the one that's trying to keep your business low key, huh? You the one that's having your main nigga can't get no sleep, huh?
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Josh back with another video. And actually, we out here in Big Bear. And we just gonna get a couple riding clips. We out here for like 2 to 3 days, I think, something like that. So right now I'm actually grabbing my phone because I need to take that with me. Hold up. So yeah, there's basically really nothing that we're gonna be doing, but we're gonna go out riding right now. So you ready? Let's go. So yeah, we already here. We got the gas mini bike, we got the electric mini bike, we got another electric bike and another electric bike. So actually we're gonna take that one. Is anybody taking this one? You could take that one. And then yeah, we take it. So basically we're taking all these 3 toys right here. And yeah, I'm gonna put you guys right there, right in front of the fork on the GoPro mount. And hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do a race. Gas versus electric. I'm going against the 96cc Coleman, which is, I think, what is it again? What model? What? It's the Coleman CT100U against the Monster Moto 1000, the electric version. Everything's stock except the batteries, but it's still holding at 1000 watts. Just change the batteries out for longer range, so nothing performance-wise is any different. So I'm gonna go ahead and give him a head start, and we'll see how well he does. So let's get it. Three, 2, 1. location, and we're gonna start off somewhere a little different, but we're basically in the same area. Like I said, 96cc gas engine versus the Monster Moto M1000, I think, something like that. All I know is it's a 1036 volt. Everything's stock on both vehicles, so we're gonna go see how this race handles. So. Alright guys, we're gonna start. On your mark, get set, go! Yo, what's going on, guys? So we actually just took these out for the, for the ultimate test. Both mini bikes through the Big Bear trails. I'm not sure if this is actually a mini bike trail or a bike trail or a walk trail. All I know is it was a pretty badass trail. I ain't even gonna lie. Very intense, but it was pretty fun to ride. I took the electric one, took the gas one, and as you guys just see, the gas one has its advantages, but the electric has a lot of more torque. So this has a lot of more top end, this one has a lot of torque off the start. Besides that, they both did good. I'm very surprised, very happy with them. Got that one for my girlfriend. Obviously this is mine. Soon it's going to be 3,000 watts. You guys already know, that's why I had to do this test. So I'm out here in Big Bear, staying out here at a cabin, enjoying, having a getaway, enjoying the mini bikes. But besides that, guys, it was a great time being here. Enjoyed them. Went through the trails, saw some nature. Who doesn't love nature? But alright guys, this will be the end of this video, and like I said, stay motivated and let's get it. Sure.
I can do bad on my own and good by myself. I never needed no help. I needed you niggas, you wasn't right there. If you need me, then